right channel. Safety, a very number one focus for us, is to be able to have safe pumping. Pumping entails creating a vacuum to go ahead and increase the blood flow in the penis. But sometimes that vacuum needs to be released quickly. So every one of our pumps has a quick release valve in it to go ahead and remove that vacuum and discard it at any press of the vacuum quick release valve. Pumps such as this one go ahead and create a vacuum by going ahead and pumping, and as you can see here, there is a vacuum on the gauge. That vacuum can easily be then released by just going ahead and pressing the quick release valve, and bingo, the vacuum is gone. So each one of our pumps goes ahead and has a quick release valve as shown here, and by a press of a thumb, that vacuum is released. Comes in many different styles and shapes and forms, the quick release valves, to suit different kinds of pumps. Finger grip pumps, hand pumps, and all different sizes and varieties and flavors to go ahead and suit different users, beginner, intermediate, or advanced. But all have a quick release valve installed in them. Pumping with a negative vacuum goes ahead and increases the blood flow in the penis. It uses no invasive forms or any drugs, so it's extremely safe from that perspective. In addition to that, we've gone ahead and upgraded the vast majority of our pumps to go ahead and improve the Schrader valve that's installed in those pumps. A Schrader valve, as shown here in this pump, it has a very, very thin metal stem to it. This Schrader valve is easily damaged in shipping or in use, but is not very substantial in any way, shape, or form. So we've gone ahead and improved that Schrader valve to go ahead and make it significantly more robust with this actuator here, which goes ahead and is definitely ruggedized. Another form of that is here where we have a little pad which can be pressed, but no thin metal stem that's easily bent, disformed, and damaged. So it's substantial and holds up so that it's available and ready for use whenever you want a quick release of the vacuum. Having that in place is extremely important for safety. Once again, the vacuum method does not use any invasive methods or any drugs. So its safety is basically bent around the factor of being able to release that vacuum at any time with a quick release valve, which all of our pumps come with a quick release valve, and we've upgraded those valves substantially so that they are durable, dependable, and reliable quick release valves. So when needed, they're available and will do the job they're intended.